Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. So in this video I'm going to share with you how a young Nigerian man made over 6 million naira in just 2 weeks of selling his knowledge on Facebook. In my subsequent videos, in my previous videos rather in my previous videos, I have shared with you how you can create online courses or sell ebooks or sell reports and make good money online. This young man took it seriously and took it to the next level. After I spoke with him, after we had a discussion, and the result he had in less than 2 weeks will blow your mind. I'm going to show you the process. I'm going to tell you exactly what he did, how he did it, and how you can also, model the same step and also implement it so that you can get the same result. Listen, your result may not be exactly as his own. Okay, there are chances that you will get very lesser results, less than 6 million, and there's also a chance that you will get even a higher result. So it's not a one-way fit all. But if you follow this video, if you follow the process, you are going to learn exactly how these things are done and how you can do it and get good results, make some good money online that can better your life. All right. So yes, in this video I will show you how a young Nigerian made over 6 million naira in 2 weeks from an online course that he has not created yet. Okay, that's the funny thing. The course that he's selling, that he has made money from, he has not created the course yet. The course will be launched on the 23rd of this month. On 23rd of April, yes, 23rd or 24th, there about 23rd, 24th April this month. But he has made whooping sum of money selling a course that he has not created. How is this possible? I'm going to share the information with you. But please, before we start, I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Just like this video so that more people get to see my video. If you are new to this channel and you'd like to see more content like this, in this channel we share about making money and improving your business. Consider subscribing and turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I publish videos. So guys, let's start. So you can see on the 18th of March, Mr. Remedy Wankwo made an announcement that he is opening what we call a pre-launch, a pre-order, right? He's creating a course. He's going to create a course where he will teach people the fundamentals of niche blogging. The fundamentals of niche blogging. Okay? And then he advised people to what? To pre-order, to join the wait list. So that when the course is launched, they will have access to it immediately. All right? I'm going to tell you exactly how it started. So this is it. On that 18th, he had 403 people in 5 hours. He said in 5 hours, 403 great people have paid for fundamental of niche blogging. We attend to everyone on WhatsApp within 48 hours. Please be patient. Let's keep it rolling. Join us now. So in that 5 hours of making the announcement, guess what happened? 334 people have made payment by bank transfer and 69 has paid online because he used Seller. Like I've always advised you, if you are just starting up, use Seller. It is easy and straightforward. It helps you collect money from different countries and different continents also. And then they pay it into your own Nigerian bank account or to your country bank account. So this is 18th. Just pay attention to the date. Oh, this is the same 18th. He said later in the day, he said 517 people have paid for niche blogging fundamentals today. Sold out, right? He said, I am not sold out though. Get into the class. Send your payments now. So on that same 18th that he made the announcement, first of all, 403 people have paid in 5 hours. Before the end of the day, 517 people have paid. All right. So on the 19th, look at the date here. 685 people have paid on the 19th. 685 people. Remember, this course, he's pre-launching it at 4,000 naira. 4,000 naira. And 685 people have paid him 4,000 naira for a course that he has not launched yet. He has not launched it yet. I'm hammering on this because I'm going somewhere with this. I want to share something with you that would help you in your own journey also. When we get there, you will see why I'm trying to make emphasis on these things. So on the 19th again, remember on the 19th, he said 685. The same 19th, before the end of the day, 735 people have paid. Right? I totally understand what I've done is strange. He said here that Courage Ngele told me it would happen, but I didn't believe him. This is funny because I had a discussion with him and I made him aware that, listen, this is exactly how these things are done. All right. We spoke for long over the phone because he's a friend. We spoke for long over the phone at night and we discussed lengthily. We discussed on how he can approach it, how best he can go about this. We just discussed the necessary details because he is someone that is highly respected. He's knowledgeable, he's intelligent, and so he knows exactly what he wants and what he wants to achieve, and he has the knowledge to impact. So because he had knowledge to impact, it was easier for me to communicate with him based on my experience because I have been creating and selling courses. I've been making money from courses. All right. So it was easier for me to to show him how to navigate through the process. So I understood when he said Courage Ngele told me it would happen, but I didn't believe him because truly I told him that this is the number we are looking to get. Let's get to this number, and these are the strategies that we can deploy. And everything worked out exactly as we discussed. Wonderful. So on the 21st, he said, we are 944 students strong. Let's get to 1,000 students and maybe we'll be sold out. Right? Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, USA, UK, Malawi, Cameroon, and other countries. So people from different countries, look at the seller dashboard here. Right? So people from different countries were able to join. People paid online via seller. So you can be in Nigeria and you are selling your knowledge to people in Canada, people in UK, people in USA, right? People in different countries, and you don't have to bother about payment because you simply send them the seller link and they use the link to pay. Easy. Easy like that. Okay, let's go ahead. So on the same 21st, before the end of the day, because it's a 24 hours day, of course, before the end of the day, he said it's official, 1,005 students from over 8 countries got into my course wait list in 3 days, all done organically, no ads. We did not spend a dime on ads to make this happen, right? He said it's been an incredible experience the past 3 days, and then I've set a record in my industry, in the blogging industry, right? And I'm both humbled and grateful. Of course, this is a humbling experience. In 3 days, 1,000 people gave him how much? 4,000 naira to access his knowledge. You watching me, you have a knowledge. You have something that people want to pay for. You have something that you can teach people and they would be willing to pay for it. Don't just waste time. Don't just stay there hoping and waiting on how to improve your life. You can begin to share what you know with people and they will be attracted to you. And from that avenue, you can improve your life. All right. So I'm going to share with you how he achieved this result. Mind you, in 3 days, he got 1,005 people to pay him 4,000 naira. No money spent on ads. This is crazy. This is crazy. No money spent on ads. I've been through this. When I sold my e-commerce course, it was the same process. I did not just create the course. I did not just start running adverts. I got a lot of people into my system before I even created the course. That is the exact strategy my friend Remedy used, and he got even better results than I did. Do you understand? He got better results than I did. Yes. So that's why I said that your own results might be lesser or even better. Just follow the process, the simple process. As I'm speaking to you today, over 1,500 people have paid 4,000 naira to join this course. Over 1,500 people have paid. If you multiply that by 4,000 naira, that's over 6 million naira. Okay, now this is what he did. He shared his knowledge freely online. He has been sharing his knowledge freely on Facebook. Facebook is the main platform that he is using. He has been consistently over a long period of time be sharing knowledge freely. Tips about blogging, he has been sharing it freely, right? He has been sharing his process, how he achieves results, how he does his blogging, how he stays up at night to watch over his blog, to improve backlink, SEO, all those blog terms, this and that. He shares these things on Facebook. Whenever he's looking for someone that has a Nigerian AdSense verified account, he comes to Facebook to make a post. He has been sharing his journey. So people were following the journey, people were loving the journey. He shared information freely, information that people are going to pay for, just like I'm sharing this information with you freely. He has been sharing information freely. He shared his process. He has been sharing his results also. He has been sharing his results. When Google pays him, for instance, Google can pay him $5,000 in a month, $4,000, $10,000 in a month. He will share it for you to see that these things are real. So people believed that it was real because truly it was real. And he had students he was teaching on the side, mentorship. He was mentoring them. These students also had great results. So when his students have results, he also shares the results of his students. All right. So he was showing people the possibility of earning online via blogging, specifically because that is his area of strength and interest, blogging. Like he said, niche blogging, not general blog, not just entertainment blogging, niche blogging, serious blogging with good money, with good CPM. All right. So as this continued, people began to come to him to ask questions about blogging, about information, about people began to seek his advice, seek his counsel, for his knowledge. People started coming to learn from him. So we realized that this was the direction of the stuff. So we decided that, okay, since it was happening this way, why not create a course that can answer people's questions? Are you with me? If you're with me, please give this video a thumbs up. Click the like button so that more people get to see my video, all right? So we said, since people were beginning to come to him, to consult him, to ask him questions about blogging, about AdSense, about backlink, about SEO, why not create a course, a very affordable course that people can easily access instead of him answering everybody question every day, every day. Just create the course, and anyone who comes to him, you send them to the course, and then they get all the knowledge there. That's how the idea came. And we put out a notice, an information to warm up the audience that, okay, I'm creating a course on fundamentals of niche blogging. Now, this course is going to be sold for 15,000 naira when it is launched. This course is going to be sold for 15,000 naira when it is launched. But between now and when it will be launched, between now and so time, you can join the wait list and pre-order this course now for only 4,000 and save the rest of the money. Do you see the marketing that worked there? If you don't pay 4,000 now, when the time arrives and the course is ready, you will pay 15,000. So you do the maths, that's a lot of money. That's about 11,000 naira that you can save. This person has been sharing knowledge. So you trust him. He has built authority. He has been getting the results. So he has been sharing knowledge. He has built influence and has an audience. He has been sharing the results, which means he has built trust and credibility. Because he's doing it. He has the knowledge. He has the results. And even the people who he has mentored also has the results. So this shows that this person is credible. He can actually pass this information to you. You have believed him already, right? And he has been showing people the possibility. So now it is time to create a course. And then you tell people that this course is going for 15,000 naira when it is launched. But if you join the wait list and pre-order now, you pay only 4,000 and boom, everywhere bursts, everywhere scatter. People began to pay. That was how till today he has He has gotten over 1,500. I don't know the exact number now, but it's over 1,500 people. As of this moment of making this video, as of today, you are watching this video, this April, right? That is what knowledge economy is about. We live in the knowledge economy, in the creators economy. Those who create will continue to enjoy the benefits. Why am I sharing this with you? You need to start creating. You have to start creating. Share your knowledge with people for free. Share, share, share. Don't hold back. If you go through my YouTube channel, I have tons and tons and tons of helpful videos. These are information that people are going to pay for. My videos are things that people pay others for. You pay those courses, but I give them out for free. I share, I share. And when I create a course, or when I ask people to pay for mentorship, they happily pay me. In fact, people come to me to beg me to collect their money for mentorship. Why? Because they believe I have built that credibility and that trust, because I've been giving information for free. So they believe that you can actually help them. This is not magic. It's not rocket science. It's straightforward. If you do these things, if you follow the same process, you will get the result. I assure you. So that is exactly how it is done. There's no magic to it. All right. So if you want to make money selling your knowledge and selling information product and selling courses that people will pay for, learn the marketing strategy that we used here. I've explained them. Learn this marketing strategy, implement them, and you get better results. All right. You can learn from this, implement, and with time, because it takes work. It's not magic. The money will not just come. Nobody will just come and start giving you money to buy your course if they don't even know you like that. So it's a process. Follow the process. Learn the process, and you will enjoy the results that comes with the process. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I am here to answer your questions. If you have any contributions, any suggestions, feel free. We are all, it's a family here, right? It's a vibe, positive energy. Drop your questions, I will answer you. Okay? Please like this video, comment in this video, share this video so that as many people you know will find it helpful, will watch and learn. Let's create more millionaires. Let's help more people make more money. I'm happy that I was able to help my friend to convince him to do what he has done, and today he has made some money, and that money is not even a big money for him because he's a big boy already. He's a big boy before now, right? So you who need more money, you can also follow the same process and you get greater results. I will see you in my next video, guys. Cheers.